How are you doing today? I hope you are well and safe. God bless you. If you are watching this program for the first time, my name is Dr. Abolade, the son of Aramide. And if you like this video, very interesting, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell. Any day, anytime I post video. I want you to share this program. Tell someone to tell someone. It will save someone's life. Please. Don't just watch this program and leave. Please. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sodium apple to treat fibroid. If you have fibroid or you know someone that has it around you, don't stress yourself. Please, if you are watching this program, I use God to beg you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of apps such as allergy herbal flusher, diabetes app, weak erection, hypolatin, fibroids, sperm leakage, and we have adodon cream. And if you want to make your joystick big, if your joystick small, if you want to make it big, and we have cream for it. Wherever you are, you receive your package. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly, or rather teach you exactly what to do. If you have fibroid, or you know someone that has it around you, go and look for sodium apple, fresh one. Sodium apple, fresh one, and bitter cola, fresh one, and maca root. Yoruba call it baka, maca root. Go and look for it. Sodium apple, maca root, bitter cola, obotoyo, and bluestone. Obotoyo is like salt, but it's not salt. It tastes like salt. It tastes like salt, but it's not salt. You can get it where they sell herbal item. Just tell them that you need obotoyo. Are you with me? If you don't understand, you are free to call my number. It's 080 39 33 6675 or 080 53 13 31 42. That is my number. How to do it? Pack all these items. Just cut this sodium apple, cut it into smaller pieces. Cut it into smaller pieces. Remove the seed. Remove it. Cut this seed into smaller pieces. Then look for one container. Pack it inside one container. Sodium apple, cut it into pieces, and bitter cola, cut it into pieces. Maca root, fresh one, cut it. Cut all these items into pieces. Pack it inside one container. Add obotoyo to it and bluestone. You can get it where they sell herbal everything. Just tell them that you need alum dudu. Go where they say about item. Just tell them that you need alum dudu, bluestone. Pack all these items inside container. Use hot to soak it for 3 days. Add small bluestone to it. Add it to it. Soak it for 3 days. After 3 days, take one shot in the morning, one shot at night. That is it. If you do this thing, by the grace of God, you will surely share me good testimony. Believe me, this work is confirmed work. If you have fibroid or you know someone that have it, try it. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. For more video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Abolade, the son of Aramide. Bye for now.